try to speak. Don't worry about the mistake. We will be success. This MD Sarwar. Welcome to all afternoon news. You have just heard the Answer Academy headlines. Now let's move on the details. Yes, we have to try. We have to try to speak. If we try every single day, day by day, we will improving our speaking skill. Yes, we have to say all the time where I am standing, what I am doing, and what will I do. Everything we have to speak English without fearless, without shamelessly. If we speak shamelessly, that will be our great job. Yeah, I'm trying every single day and I'm improving my speaking skill. Day by day, I will be success is my expectation. Who are they speaking English and who are they learning English? Yes, we have to be more attentive about our speaking skill. Yeah, if I say you will listen to me, if I don't say how you will listen to me, so it's very important for a learning person who are the learning and speaking English. And we always upset about our mistake. Don't worry about the mistake. We have to learn from mistake. If we don't learn from mistake, that will be our great mistake. That's why we have to mistake. After that, we will be success. Yeah, day by day, we have to be careful about our speaking. One day we will be success. It will be uh, it will be very good job for us. If we don't see dream how I will be success. So don't worry about the success. Every single day, if we speak, one day we will be success. We can expectation. If we don't speak, how I will explain and how I will hope one day I will be success. That's why it's very important for everyone who are they want to success. We have to see our dream and we have to work after that. Yes, I'm doing great and I'm doing and I'm improving day by day. That's why I'm exercising and practicing before anyone or any place. Dear, my dear beloved brothers and sisters, it's my good job. That's why I'm telling every single day and every moment, yeah, I took responsibility. Yes, if we want to be success in life, first of all, we have to take responsibility. If we don't take a responsibility, how we will be a success? That's why it's very important in life yeah, it's very important in life for everyone, not only for me. We have to be a responsibility person. Yes, after that we will be a success. Before ending, let's have a look Answer Academy headlines once again. Try to speak. Don't worry about the mistake. You will be success. And that's all from the newsroom for now. To know update videos of this bulletin, visit our website www.aasbd.com. Besides, visit our YouTube verified Facebook page for over all Answer Academies, all popular programs and bulletins. Our next bulletin will be at 7:30 p.m. I invited all of you for next news. And please forgive me if I have made a mistake. Please stay connected with us. All the best of luck for Bangladesh.